We have 6 children. Well, it was one just fateful day in 2013, and our adopted son Kai had been doing acrobatic stunts and bumped his forehead. And so I put a bandage on his forehead, and it was almost like my eyes were opened. How did I live on this earth for 38 years and not notice that bandages were made to match one type of skin? You know, here's this world that Kai's gonna grow up in, and here was a product basically shouting, you don't belong. There are no bandages that match darker skin tones. It started me thinking this has been long overdue.
You know, traditional bandages have been around for almost 100 years now, and there's just not been that demand or voice demand for variety in the offering. So because a segment of society essentially was excluded from sort of making that choice, the goal was to make our products inclusive of everybody.
Everyone deserves to have access to reasonable, proficient healthcare. And there are specific issues within dermatology that we know are really important for our patients with deeper skin tones. When I learned that they were ethnically diverse in their tone, I was excited because I realized that it was something that I could actually use on a day-to-day basis in my own practice.
Coming to see Dr. Hicks-Graham, she was actually giving me my treatments for psoriasis. Usually I get my injection and they have a bandage ready for me. This time she comes, I said, I got something for you. And she handed me colored bandages, and those that actually would match my skin. I was like, oh, what is this?
Of all the things that we could offer, I almost feel like the bandage was just as therapeutic as the prescription I had just written.
There's a psychological aspect to healing that just sort of empowers, individuals. I'll never get sick of that initial reaction that I get. I can just see that they're uplifted by this little thing.
I love the fact that Tru-Colours is now being distributed through McKesson because it helps my work become easier.
I think it does take somebody like that, somebody like McKesson, to believe in this small company and just believing in the mission.
To be able to get this into healthcare and show patients that they matter, that their individuality matters, that their beauty matters. That for us is everything. And we could not bring diversity into that healing space without a partner like McKesson.